Visualize and inspect your applications and microservices in 3D with the SmartMap Topology view in ElectricFlow. In this video, we will be discussing the SmartMap view and seeing it in action in a product demo. The SmartMap Topology view is an industry-first interactive visualization of your microservices and application topologies. The view transforms the way you visualize and manage your container clusters and environments. With capabilities to interactively rotate and zoom in on focus areas, view live status of deployments, and drill down into details, SmartMap makes it easy to quickly visualize, understand, and touch your complex topology, and aids with troubleshooting and impact analysis. This infrastructure-agnostic visualization provides unique views of different data across objects in ElectricFlow. We will look at SmartMap for Kubernetes clusters modeled in ElectricFlow and traditional applications and environments. Visualizing Kubernetes cluster with the SmartMap topology adds visibility, ease of management, and improves impact analysis and troubleshooting. When viewing cluster details with Kubernetes, there is no way to visualize the deployed services and dependencies within them, and the clusters, pods, and containers that are deployed. Retrieving this information requires navigating between multiple pages and viewing tables of data. This challenge extends to accessing data on service health or looking at container log files for impact analysis and troubleshooting. Oftentimes, dev and DevOps teams don't have direct admin access to Kubernetes and have to work through an administrator to access this data anytime it is required. Finally, there's no information in Kubernetes that ties the many services to the business applications they are part of, or differentiation to identify those services deployed through ElectricFlow. With the SmartMap topology view, simply open the view for your Kubernetes cluster and see an interactive topology showing the interconnected relationships of Kubernetes namespaces, services, pods, and containers in a single view. By clicking into the details of any of these objects, see live data pulled directly from Kubernetes. Services with issues are highlighted, and there are drill downs to view container log files for troubleshooting. Finally, the SmartMap view connects your Kubernetes clusters back to the application, microservices, and environment models in ElectricFlow. This helps to easily understand the business impact of a service running in Kubernetes. Now you can see which environment a service belongs to, for example, QA or prod, and whether a service is supporting an internal app with lower importance or a business-critical application supporting end customers. This information is not apparent in Kubernetes alone. The SmartMap view can also be used to visualize your traditional applications in ElectricFlow. When managing multiple applications that have interdependencies and are deployed across environments, SmartMap provides a high-level visualization of the dependencies across applications and their connected environments. Click into the details to view deployment history across all of the connected applications and environments in a single view. Let's now look at a demo of the SmartMap topology view in ElectricFlow. We'll start in the editor for an environment that has a single cluster configured to point to Kubernetes. This environment is mapped to an ElectricFlow application with microservices defined. I could also access the SmartMap view from that application. All of my views for the environment are across the top, including the SmartMap topology view. I'll click to open the visualization. I now see the 3D topology view of my Kubernetes cluster along with the flow environment and application it is mapped to. I can pause the rotation and inspect the details of the topology. In the center is my cluster. When I click on any object in the topology, detailed information is shown on the right pane. Each of the blue boxes represent the namespaces in the cluster. I can click to rotate and look at the default namespace. Each branch represents a service in this namespace. Here is a pod and the container running within it. As I click on each object, I see the live data being retrieved from Kubernetes in the right pane. With these details, I can quickly retrieve status and configuration for any object. At the container level, I can even access container logs directly for easy analysis and troubleshooting. As a developer, you have direct access to this view, so you can see your service and access its logs easily without any hassle. To complete the picture, I can see the connection to the ElectricFlow environment containing this cluster, as well as the microservices and the application containing those microservices. This one-of-a-kind view provides full visibility into your entire topology. Let's now look at SmartMap for a traditional application in ElectricFlow. My payments application has dependencies on 3 other applications, but I need to be able to see the connections to the other applications and access deployment details for all of them in one place. I'll open the payments application and click to see the SmartMap Topology view. I see my visualization for the 4 applications as well as the environments they are mapped to. All 4 applications are deployed to the same 3 environments, while the payments application is mapped to 3 additional environments. By clicking on an application, I can see the deployment history across environments in the right pane, and clicking on an environment shows the full deployment history for all of the applications that have been deployed to this environment. I can even select an application and deploy it directly from the SmartMap view. SmartMap makes it easy to quickly view the topology as well as the deployment data for the related applications in one place. The SmartMap Topology view transforms the way you visualize and manage your container clusters and environments, making it easy to quickly visualize, understand, and touch your complex topology. Thanks for watching. Visit electriccloud.com to learn more.